Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you a safe and responsible way to get apps without needing parental permission, but only if you're allowed to manage your own device. If your phone is linked to Family Link, open the Family Link app on your parent's phone and ask them to adjust your account settings. They can go to Controls, then Content Restrictions, Google Play, Apps and Games, and change the approval settings so you can install apps on your own. On iPhone, your parent can go to Settings, then Screen Time, then Content and Privacy Restrictions, then iTunes and App Store Purchases, and set Always Allow for app installs. If you've recently turned 13 or older, you can also create a new Google or Apple account not linked to Family Link or parental controls. Just make sure to back up your data first. And that's it. You can now install apps freely, the right and secure way, without violating any device or family settings. Subscribe the channel for more videos.